Hi guys, welcome to Premier Math. In this video I'm gonna go over how to solve equation involving radicals. Let's start by clearing those radical signs. So to do that, we're gonna square both sides, and let's see how that goes. So I square both sides. So when you square a square root, so whatever under the radical sign will cancel out, and that allow you to stay with x. So that's mean if you square, it's x, square root of x times square root of x, which is going to give you square root of x squared. So square root of x squared is square root of x. So that's why when you square square root of x minus 13, you end up with having x minus 13. So the reason why, that's the reason why we square both sides, to eliminate the radical sign. So here you can't just eliminate the radical sign. You know, one common mistake the student said they just put 5 minus square root plus x plus 2. That's a very common mistake. No, this itself inside the parenthesis become like it's a square of a difference, where you get a minus b squared. So square the first term minus 2 times the first by the second plus the square of the second. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we square 5x squared minus 2 times 5. I'm making a mess there. So 5 times square root of x plus 2, and then plus x plus 2 square, which is the second term. So we still carry, that's give us 25. That's 10. Square root of x plus 2, and then plus this one give us x plus 2, same as x minus 13. So now we can combine like terms and to simplify those terms. So you got 25 plus 2, that's 27, and plus x minus 10 square root of x plus 2. Now we still have a radical there that we need to eliminate. So we can combine in like terms here. We got x in both sides, so we clearly see this going to be eliminated. So you got negative 13 equal 27 minus 10 square root plus 2. We could move that 27 in the other side to group it and combine it with that 13. And that give us negative 40. And this was gone. X plus 2. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 10 to leave the radical side by itself. That's gone. And that's give us 4 square root of x plus 2. Now, as you can see, we still have the radical signs that we need to eliminate. So we're going to do the same thing by squaring both sides again anytime we have the radical sign. So we can clear the side right here so we can have some space, and you can see where I'm going. So we got 16 to go to x plus 2. Now we minus 2 at both sides, and that gives 14 equal to x, or x equal to 14 would leave us with the answer that we're looking for. So now when we have, you know, radical sign involved in an equation, we can always go back and plug our result back in to see if we did it right, because not all the answers sometimes works. So 13, so we get now 14 So x is equal to 14 now, so we can replace x by 14 and equal to 5 minus square root of 14 plus 2. Now 14 minus 13, that's square root of 1, and 5 minus 2, that's 16, square root of 16. Now square root of 1 is 1, 5 is 5, square root of 16, it's 4, and we do know that 5 minus 4, it's 1, so 1 equal to 1, that's true. So therefore our answer is really x equal 14. Now for a shortcut for those that going to take if you're taking a test online and where you don't have to show work, and if you have an equation like this, all you can do is to add 1 to that 13 there. You will always get to the answer, which is 14. It's like easy enough. And I hope that helped, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.